Claude Design had a major update and now is replacing every single designer. If you tried Claude Design 1.0, it wasn't that bad, but it's nowhere near 2.0. Let me start off with what actually changed with Anthropic's Claude Design 2.0. Starting off is shared pool. Right now, Claude Design, Chat, Cowork, and Code all have the same usage limits, instead of Claude Design having its own limit rate. Second, canvas editing. You can directly edit your website designs without using any credits, and this is really important. Third, you can now give Claude Design a design system. This acts as a foundation for Claude Design to use it each time it wants to make changes or build your website. And lastly, the bidirectional Code Design handoff. You now can push the design into Claude Code, and any changes there will reflect also on the design. So now let's go ahead and try to build ourselves a design for a Swiss watch website. We will call it Castellane. Starting off with setting up the design system, what you want to do in Claude Design is select the Create Design System, and you can see we can hand off a Figma file, a GitHub repo, or assets, which what we will add today is an design.md file that contains the full guideline for Claude Design. Then press continue to generate. Once Claude Design finishes, it will develop a full design system that you can now use to let Claude Design understand your brand. Now back to Claude Design, you want to select the design system we did now, select prototype option to generate a polished design, and let's hit enter to start this journey. And look at that, we start off with the header that has all the navigations, and in the middle the brand name. And I really like also how this monogram looks like, which is in the middle, and it looks outstanding. And if I press on explore collection, it will take us into the collection section, where later on we will add real watch images right here. Above we have the hero section, and honestly the typography is amazing and really suits the vibe of this website. Now the best feature here is the canvas editing. You can go to edit section and click on select, and if you double click on any text you want, you can simply and directly edit it without wasting any tokens. And honestly, for tasks like this, it is really good for us to just manually edit. Now for the placeholder images, what we want to do is generate them using ChatGPT ImageGen 2.0. Honestly, this is my go-to image generator, and I already have Claude prepared for me the prompts. So I can go directly to ChatGPT, paste this prompt, and generate the hero image. And now I will go ahead and generate the rest of the images. Now you can see we have our 4 images ready, and they look honestly outstanding and good. So now let's get them to Claude Design, and let's ask it to add the hero image into the hero section, and for each watch image I have, add it to its corresponding box inside the collection section. Now let me go full screen and give you a tour. So we could scroll down to the hero section where you can see this dial we generated, but what I like the most here is the collection section that showcases the watches, the old money style, and honestly the vibe of this website is really well settled. Now exploring the share section, you can go to the export section and select PDF, HTML code, or video to export this design. Or you can go ahead over to Claude Code, and this is where you can directly take this design and make Claude Code develop it and turn it into a real product. Now one last thing I wanted to try out with you is the animation theme. So I will paste to Claude this prompt that I've prepared with Claude Chat, of course hand it the design system and select animation theme. And let's see what Claude can do for us. Alright, it's starting off with our brand name and then transitioning to the watch that I've attached to it and giving it this rotation effect, and then it displays this catchphrase before ending the video with our brand name. So I could say this is a good animation, but not definitely enough good for marketing if you wanted to market your website. And this is it for Claude Design. Tell me what do you think of this new update, and have you tried it on your own? Alright, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in one of these videos.